Most car owners spend too much money on products they've only seen in ads. But some of the best car care products aren't the biggest brands. Today, I'm sharing 5 hidden gem products that professional detailers love and most drivers have never heard of. And trust me, the #1 product on this list has become a favorite among professionals for a very good reason. If you want to check out any of the products mentioned today, you'll find all the links in the description below. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5 is Koch Chemie Gentle Snow Foam. While many drivers automatically reach for the most heavily advertised car shampoos, Koch Chemie has quietly built a reputation among professional detailers for producing some of the highest quality detailing chemicals in the industry. This pH-neutral snow foam is designed to safely loosen dirt and road grime before you ever touch the paint. That means less chance of introducing scratches during the wash process. It works great with foam cannons, smells fantastic, and is completely safe on waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings. For detailers looking for a safer and more professional wash process, this is a product that's easy to recommend. At number 4 is Optimum No Rinse, better known as ONR. If you've never heard of ONR before, you're not alone, but many professional detailers consider it one of the smartest products ever created. Unlike traditional car soaps, ONR allows you to safely wash your vehicle with very little water. But that's only the beginning. Many users also use it as a quick detailer, clay lubricant, glass cleaner, and even an interior cleaner. Instead of buying multiple products, one bottle can handle several detailing tasks. Few products offer this much versatility, which is exactly why ONR remains a favorite among experienced detailers. At number 3 is TEC 582 Ceramic Detail Spray. This is one of those products that continues to impress people who discover it. Despite not being as famous as many big-name brands, it has built a loyal following thanks to its simplicity and performance. Application couldn't be easier. Just spray it on and wipe it off. The result is excellent gloss, impressive slickness, and strong water-beating performance. Many enthusiasts compare it to products costing significantly more. If you're looking for quick shine and protection without spending a fortune, TEC 582 is definitely worth a look. Taking the number 2 spot is 3D Speed All-in-One Polish and Wax. This product is perfect for anyone who wants maximum results with minimum effort. Instead of using separate compounds, polishes, and protection products, 3D Speed combines everything into a single step. It helps remove light swirls and imperfections, improves gloss, and leaves behind protection at the same time. That's exactly why it's become such a favorite among both beginners and experienced detailers. For anyone who wants fast results without a complicated process, 3D Speed remains one of the smartest choices available. And finally, at number 1, we have P&S Bead Maker. If you've spent any time around professional detailers, you've probably heard this name mentioned more than once. P&S has been producing detailing products for decades, and Bead Maker has become one of their most popular creations. This spray sealant is incredibly easy to use. Simply spray it on and wipe it off. The result is a deep, glossy finish, excellent slickness, impressive water beating, and added UV protection. What really makes Bead Maker special is the value. You get professional level results without spending a fortune. It's simple, effective, and delivers the kind of results that keep people coming back to it again and again. And there you have it, 5 hidden gem car care products I'd happily buy over many of the bigger brands. If you've used any of these products, let us know your favorite in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car care reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.